First rule of public speaking, never turn your back to the audience. This one is out of reach. You guys know what is this. This is Alexa, right? This thing is powerful enough to wake up our TV. So let's try it, but you have to be quiet. There's a lot of echo in this room, okay? By the way, she doesn't really like me that much. Yesterday, she didn't want to work with me. So hopefully today will be better. Alexa, turn on my TV.
Did you mean Tillaine's TV?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, here it is. Like Batman would say, first try. Okay, so now we're in TV. Now we cannot use Alexa anymore, but let me show you OnePlus Connect. That's what we want to know. They're saying they told, we need to hold the phone properly so you guys can see it on those side screens. So what's going to happen here, let me just tell you a bit. On this giant LED screen, you're going to see TV, okay? And on the side screens, you're going to see me very comfortably without me, knowing that there is 2,500 people in this room, going through this OnePlus Connect to show you all the features, okay? So, okay, let's turn on my 70, okay, cool. Maximum brightness. No, it's not maximum brightness. Okay, so we go to OnePlus Connect. This is the interface. Now you're in the Oxygen. Inside the OnePlus Connect, you can be in Oxygen Play, okay? So you click on that icon that's remote control, the black icon, remote control. Once you click it, it comes to something unexpected, but wait. Okay, we're here. So you come to a function called trackpad control. This function allows you to navigate your TV any which way you want using the trackpad. So you just navigate up, down, left, right, okay? So let's do it. Okay, oh. It's coming, it's going. Okay, this was up and down, that was easy. Okay, let's now try right. Let's try left. Easy, right? Okay, one finger, you see? Cool, okay, but I'm tired of using my fingers, so I just want someone else to do it for me, not Alexa. This time I just want Google Assistant to do it for me. Wait, what is that here? It's a Google Assistant button. Oh, wow. Shh. Open YouTube. First try. Why are you so excited about it? We're not going to play anything on YouTube. We don't have license to do so. I'm just showing you, there's a lot of food on YouTube in our account. We were hungry when we were making this keynote, so we were just searching good food. Okay, enough of YouTube. We cannot play anything here. You know what? I feel like watching a movie, okay? I know you two feel like watching a movie as well. So let's play a movie. And in order to play a movie, I need to find it somehow. I don't want to type by using the cursor, finding letters, and typing individual letter in the TV. Where can I find it? I can find it in Oxygen Play. So I just go to Oxygen Play on my TV automatically. And then I go up with the trackpad control, press it. Wait, what just happened? Did you see that? You don't have to use your navigation panel to find the letter. No. The keyboard popped up. The keyboard. So now you can search your content as you would type your friend a WhatsApp message. It's just that easy, okay? And because I mentioned Wonder Woman, I want to watch Wonder Woman, so let's try to do that. Okay, Wonder Woman. First try. Now it's Wonder Woman, and now we are going to, oh wait, Gal Gadot. We're going to press play, okay? Give it some time. It's after all, it's I know. Wait a second. Let me just fast forward it. Those are just credits. Let's find something interesting, okay? Because I want to show you one other function. Okay, well, this looks interesting. So you see, there is this icon next to the turn off button that is like a camera. So usually when you see something nice on your TV, you want to take your phone and take a picture on it. Don't do it. I beg you, don't do it. Because this time, if you have OnePlus Connect for your TV, you just press and you will have a screenshot on your phone. That's not the best part. I can share it with 2,500 of you right now. Let me show you. Boom, share. But you know what? In the room of 2,500 people, I feel incredibly lonely. So I don't want to share it with anybody. Instead, let me show you something else. Okay, let's go back. There is a back button. Let's go back to Oxygen Play. Again, remote control function. And now I want to go back to YouTube. I don't want to use Google Assistant. I don't want to use the trackpad control. I want to quickly switch between the apps. How do I do that? Let me tell you. I swipe up, and here are all my apps that I can use. Nothing on TV. I press YouTube, that's it, done. I'm in YouTube. Nothing else, super easy. And you know what? I feel like you guys want to watch Aquaman, and I want to watch Aquaman too. And we're going to try one very, very, very cool function. And I'm going to have to boost the volume to 100%. Remember, volume is on 100%. I go to Oxygen Play. This is my Explore section of Oxygen Play. So there is like a list of all the titles that I can access that are at the glance, in addition to the titles I can search for. So I want to see Aquaman. Okay, here it is. It's going to play it. But first, let me put the volume to 100%. Wait, this is not for the sound effects. Let's fast forward it. Just Whoa, look at this. Divya Jyoti is calling me. By the way, Divya Jyoti is working with me at OnePlus. He's somewhere in the audience. I don't see him now. That was totally unplanned, Divya Jyoti. I wanted to watch my Aquaman movie in peace. And did you see that the volume immediately went from 100 to 10? Because the TV automatically detects that I'm getting a phone call and it lowers the volume without me needing to do anything. And now I'm just going to ignore Divya Jyoti. Boom, back to 100. Back to 100.
We're from different worlds.
And that's it. That was the whole OnePlus TV experience. And I just click here and I turn it off.